Here's a thermometer, digital thermometer. Measures temperature between minus 50 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. It is minus 58 Fahrenheit to 572 Fahrenheit. Recalibrated, fast, cook, clear, auto, digital thermometer. Great for cooking and barbecue. So it looks like this. You can open that one, that much. So that's the maximum. That's the closed state. That's the open state. Batteries. Oops, we need a battery. It's a AAA battery, which is not included. Click buttons, Celsius and Fahrenheit, on-off button and the hold button. It's talking about the measuring range, temperature, display resolution, measuring accuracy. There's a hold function, power it on and off, low voltage indication, how to use it. So here we have two batteries, one is smaller. The smaller one is the AAA and the larger one is the AA. So we need the small one, minus side, the flat, and plus side, which sticks out. The minus always goes to the spring, and that's it. I don't know if that battery is charged, it's rechargeable. Nothing happens. Probably my battery is dead. Let's try another one. .6 volts, and it's not working. 1.28. Nothing. I wonder if it's making contact here on this side. Yes, it's making contact. Now it's on. It says 67 Fahrenheit, 68 Fahrenheit, 79, 81. Now it's coming down. Now it's going up. So it requires a little bit of time. Okay. There's the Celsius and there's the Fahrenheit. F is mentioned here. Now C is mentioned there. You can hold the value. Now it's not going anywhere. Plus it's flashing. And hold is mentioned here, that small text. Now it's deplugged. Just one press and it turns it off. One press and it's on. 24, 23, 22. It's going down. Is that cold here? That's a window, so it might be colder. 21.3, 0.2, 0.1. It's going down. So here at this window, it stabilized at around 18 degrees Celsius. Now it went up 18.1. 19. So as you move it, it's detecting a different temperature. Let's see where it will stop. So after 1 minute or so, it's at 21.8 and it's slowly going up. And let's see if I simply put my hand closer. 0.9, 22. It's sensing my heat. I'm not touching it, I'm just close. And it's going up. I will remove my hand and slowly it should go down. At least it's not rising. Yes, it's going down. So I am warmer than this room. It went down even more. It should go down to... it turned off. Okay, so it has auto power off. It will not waste your battery. Now let's bring it to an even warmer place. That's a heater. And it's going up. Hope I won't melt it. This is pretty hot. Let's put it higher a bit. 30 degrees. This is even hotter. Let's put it in contact. Now it's going down a little bit. Probably the flame is not on. 49, so it's below 50 degrees Celsius. So here we have cold water, and it says that it's around 6 degrees. 5. It's winter here, but it's almost freezing. That should be warm. 20, 30, 40. So now it's underground. Let's power it on. By the way, it has a reset button here. Now it's detecting 16.1 degrees Celsius, and if I bring it higher, the temperature should increase. So heat rises up and cold remains down. Since it has a metal tip, the metal is in contact with the air only. Air is not that dense, and thus it's measuring the temperature pretty slowly. So if you stick it into water, it will measure much faster compared to when only the air is touching that probe. So it's at 20 degrees Celsius. And if you go down, now it's already dropping. So heat rises, cold air remains down. 19 degrees. And going up. So let's check this reset button. Now it's at 20.1 degrees. I pressed it, everything disappeared, and it went back to Fahrenheit. 19. Let's press the button again, this one. Back to Fahrenheit, back to Celsius, and it's 19.7. Now I'm pressing and holding it. Fahrenheit, and the same temperature, 19.6. Which part is measuring the temperature? So let's hold it from here. Going down, still going down, still going down, and it's going up. So you have to use the tip, and it's going up. So it's measuring pretty slowly. I just put it into my mouth, once again, into my mouth. That's my body temperature, it's in my mouth. I'm a bit too cold, 35 degrees. And it's dropping. And it's climbing. By the way, that's a power switch there, so when you push it in, it turns off. It returns to Fahrenheit also, so it's also resetting it. Using the on-off switch, it's not resetting it back to Fahrenheit. Once again, it remained on Celsius, but if you close it, then it will push that tiny button, and that is powering it off, and it's also resetting it back to Fahrenheit if it's pushed in well. And temperature wise, they are pretty identical. 24.2 Celsius and 2 lines above 20, and that is 24. So they are pretty close.